Now it's time to foam.
Oh yeah.
Just a reminder that when you're doing this, make sure you're doing somewhere where you don't mind getting styrofoam everywhere, because it is everywhere, even all over me and all over Tyler, so just be mindful. Don't forget to get under here.
Right.
So we're just figuring out how to fill all the gaps. These bits right at the bottom, we've just been cutting bits like this that are quite thin and just basically shoving them in to wherever we can fit them in, and then we're going to seal it all up with the foam. So these bits here are very difficult to fit anything in because you've only got so much gap and to fit however thick your insulation is in. So literally we've just cut ours up into tiny pieces and pretty much just shoved it in and then filled the gaps with foam. We still have to fill all that bit, but you know, it doesn't have to look pretty when it's just going to get covered up anyway. We're just going for it and like we're not bothered about how it looks. At the bottom are starting to get really difficult to fill now. Like this shape here is a really awkward shape to cut, and I'm like, we just used that one as a stencil and cut it out because there's the same shape on this side as well, so we just cut that out. But these are so awkward, these little bits. That's going to be an awkward one as well, but it's just a case of cutting and fitting and measuring and keep going until you get it, until it fits in. And yeah, just use brute force basically. But seems to work, you know, it's working for us. May not be the most professional or, you know, sensible, cleanest way to do it, but getting it done. So we've got these two panels down here finished, up there, all the way along here, all the way down the bottom, and down there are all finished. Just need to finish putting some foam in, and then that'll be us done for the day, I think.
Yeah.
Now we have the great cleanup as well, so that'll be fun. I've also been around with a Stanley knife and cut away all the bits of foam that was sticking out, so now it looks really nice and neat from the side. Like, I don't know if you can really see, but it doesn't look so sticky and outy like it does down there. Like that's all really sticking out, but at the top here it's really flat.
We just learnt the hard way, after insulating these bits here and filling it full of expanded foam, that the door closes into it. So we've dug it out, and thankfully this will all dry and come off. But yeah, that's a learning point that we never saw anywhere before. Hopefully that's taught some of you something. It certainly taught us.